According to the CDC, about 600 babies each year are born with Down syndrome, which is one in every 700 babies born. Elise is a very special friend of mine who happens to be one of the 700. Elise is 9 years old. She's smart, funny, witty, and kind. She can also change your mood in seconds. Elise also has Down syndrome. When I look at Elise, I see a girl with a very bright future. Others may see a girl with a very limited future. These assumptions just break my heart because people because I think that she has so much more to offer, way beyond her physical or developmental disabilities. Elise doesn't let anyone or anything get in her way, and she strives to be better every single day. She never gives up, no matter what. And her attitude overpowers any challenge that she comes across from having one extra chromosome.